February 2026. Ukrainian drones just struck 3 Russian oil platforms, not near the coast, not in the Black Sea, in the Caspian Sea, 1,800 kilometers from Ukraine. Russia's most protected offshore infrastructure. Lukoil drilling rigs, Filanovsky, Yuri Korchagin, Valeri Graifer, each producing thousands of barrels daily. Combined value, $2 billion, surrounded by Russian air defense, protected by naval patrols, considered completely untouchable. Ukraine proved otherwise. What Russia didn't expect. Long-range drones reaching the Caspian Sea. What Russia couldn't defend. Offshore platforms with zero air defense coverage. What Russia never imagined. Losing strategic oil infrastructure 1,800 kilometers from Ukraine. 3 Ukrainian drones, 3 direct hits. Russia was helpless. This just happened. The impossible target, Caspian Sea, Russia's strategic oil reserve. 3 massive Lukoil platforms, each extracting 50,000 barrels per day. Combined output, 150,000 barrels daily. Revenue, $12 million per day. Located 1,800 kilometers from Ukrainian territory. Protected by Russian airspace. Naval vessels patrolling. Radar coverage everywhere. Except they weren't protected. The strike Ukrainian modified long-range drones. Extended fuel capacity. GPS navigation. 1,800 kilometer range. Payload 50 kilograms each. Launched from western Ukraine. Flying low. Over land. Over water. Completely autonomous. Flight time, 4 hours. Russian air defense never detected them. Flying too low, too far from expected threat vectors, invisible. At 3:20 a.m., the first drone struck Filanovsky platform. Direct hit, drilling equipment destroyed, fire erupting, platform crew evacuating. 3:25 a.m., second drone hit Yuri Korchagin. Fuel storage tanks ignited, massive explosion, flames visible for kilometers. 3:30 a.m., third drone struck Valeri Graifer. Processing facility damaged. Oil production stopped. Platform shut down. 3 platforms, 3 hits, 3 minutes. Russia's Caspian Sea oil production crippled. Russia's response? Nothing. Russian naval vessels scrambled. Too late. Drones already destroyed on impact. Russian air defense activated. Nothing to shoot. No targets remaining. Russian military trying to explain how Ukrainian drones reached the Caspian Sea, 1,800 kilometers deep. No answers existed. Lukoil executives calculating losses. $12 million daily revenue. Gone. Repair time 6 to 8 months minimum. Total cost $2.2 billion. Moscow's response, complete silence. No press conference, no explanation, just emergency meetings. Because there was no explanation, Ukraine just proved Russian air defense can't protect anything anymore. The message 1,800 kilometers, 3 drones, 3 oil platforms destroyed, Russia's Caspian Sea oil production halted, $12 million daily revenue eliminated, strategic infrastructure proved vulnerable, cost to Ukraine, $300,000 in modified drones, cost to Russia, $2.2 billion in damage plus strategic humiliation. The lesson went global. Distance means nothing. Defense means nothing. Russian infrastructure is vulnerable everywhere. Ukraine struck Russia's most protected offshore oil platforms, 1,800 kilometers from Ukrainian territory. Russia's air defense never detected them, never engaged them, never stopped them. Completely helpless. 3 platforms burning in the Caspian Sea. Russia watching, unable to respond, unable to defend, unable to explain. This just happened. Russia's Caspian Sea oil production, destroyed by 3 Ukrainian drones. Distance doesn't equal safety. Protection doesn't mean security. Nowhere is untouchable. Ukraine just proved it. Russia just learned it the hard way.